Are you ever gonna do anything about that washing machine?
But we still have that?
You know, the one your wife bought at the garage sale?
But that was 4 months ago?
Yeah, well, it's still sitting there.
Yeah, we need to get rid of that. How about this?
No, no, no. You can't do that again. The police will come out here. Don't you remember what happened last time?
We shoot it.
No, someone will still call the police if you do that.
Perhaps there is a way we can make the washing machine destroy itself.
What did you have in mind?